What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills, and today we're doing a smoked turkey press, y'all. Smoked turkey press. But anyway, let's get it. So of course, first thing we gotta do, we gotta rain on it. We gonna hit it with a little salt, some poultry seasoning, and a little bit of seasoning on, y'all. Some of that seasoning on. Use y'all favorite. Once everything is seasoned up, we're going to get into a 250 degree smoker, y'all. 250 degrees. Now after about an hour, we done reached that magic temp of 165, and we gonna get it out, y'all. Don't do it over 165, y'all. You want your turkey juicy, not dry. I can't stand a dry turkey. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this bad boy cut up. Once we get that half of that breast out, we gonna go ahead and get it cut into pieces, y'all. And look at that plate, y'all. I had that good turkey, some acorn squash, some okra, and of course, a few orange slices. Straight out the can though, y'all, nothing special. And a little bit of cabbage. And oh yeah, that turkey was good, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.